Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the image and app so the transformation works reliably. Give the app camera and storage permission, then select a clear, high-resolution photo, aim for 2 megapixels or more, and crop tightly to the subject. This reduces background noise. Once done, import the image into the Anime app and turn on face detection or portrait mode if the app offers it. You do this to ensure facial features map correctly, and the app applies stylization to the intended area rather than the whole scene. You now choose and refine the anime style so the result matches your vision. Select a preset or custom filter, then adjust the strength slider between 0 and 100% to balance realism versus stylization. Lower values keep more original detail. Next, fine-tune manual controls, eyes, skin tone, hair color, and lighting to correct artifacts and preserve identity. Make incremental changes and preview at full size. If you see oversmoothing, reduce strength and boost local contrast to recover texture. You finish by exporting and handling common issues so the final image is usable. Export at the highest resolution available and pick PNG or JPEG with 90% quality or higher to retain detail. If you notice artifacts or mismatched facial features, go back and lower the style strength, switch to a different preset, or tweak eyes and hair sliders. This usually fixes problems. Finally, save the project file and keep the original photo backed up so you can iterate without losing work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.